This week, our most ambitious project so far. One of the first Lotus Elans ever to be made.
High performance, very iconic. In those days, when can you get a car that done 130 mile an hour? Everybody's dream.
It's in shocking condition, but we are on a nut and bolt concourse restoration, which costs an absolute fortune.
It warrants it, but once you start doing a job like that properly, you've just got to grit your teeth, pay up and look big.
And we roll the dice on an 80s BM.
9,800 mile, so it's done nothing. It just doesn't start.
It's been off the road for years, but we gamble on it just having a simple problem.
It's a maybe, isn't it? I'm hoping that's all it is, but we'll see.